Listen, you only live once. You need to enjoy life.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, yesterday was what? Cause today me record the video on Monday, you know, September the 2nd, 2024. So yesterday, September the 1st and the Sunday, 2024, my people. Shocking news push out there in Jamaica, my people, on the internet. And when I say shocking news, because a lot of people, they cannot believe when they saw a post made and them say such and such about this individual who I'm talking about, my people, right now, as I look on the picture, who goes by the nickname of Stunna. You see me? IG name Stunna Jamaica. This man was very popular in the dancehall field, meaning he was a promoter, my people. Keep like a big party. News even reached to me, said the day after him pass away, him have a big party forward. Big party come up on the months. Big party come up before the year done. The guy's a party promoter. He was also a producer, my people, who, as me tell you, was popular on the western side of Jamaica. A lot of people in the Montego Bay know him because them say you're a theme place that this him really, you know what I mean? Set him thing forward and, you get me? So he was big down the side there. My viewers and my subscribers, shocking news reveal and push out say Stunna was found unresponsive in a guest house, my people. He was rushed to the hospital and from there he was pronounced dead. Trying to get the information which guest house exactly them find Stunna, which hospital exactly them rush him go. Still don't get it. But news reveal and news is pushing the people, and yes, and people are reached to me and them as a NEWLINK. It's sad for news that Stunna pass away in a NEWLINK, and let the people comments and make talks, a foul play. Let the people say, yo, something right. Let the people say this. Some people say one day if I take him out and this and that, my people. You understand? A man who was partying, who was strong, passed away. For truth, for reality, people, of course. Then you go hear people say this, people say that. For sure, people are going to say this, people are going to say that. You understand, my people? Come on. But my viewers and my subscribers, based on information when I get my people. You understand? And when I said this before me even said the information, let me tell you this, in a life, you could have been strong, you could have been arty, my people. I seen the fittest of the fittest. You see me? I see the man who got gym and workout every day, big and thick and strong, some people. Him not take no vaccine because other people have to say, yo, a vaccine thing cost this. You know the thing they go. I see man guy in bed, my people, unfortunately, him not wake up back. Dead, gone. And man wasn't no underlying sickness or nothing, my people. When them do something upon them, my people, them just say, boy, sadly, like him catch a heart attack in him sleep or something. You understand? You just never know. You see me? You just never know. Remember, my people, you could have been the strongest, I'm tell you the fittest. When death, Mr. Death come your way, my people, him not give out no warning. You understand? You could have been the fittest of the fittest, so you cannot, you see me? Say you're such and say something affy. You know what I mean? My people just saying. But, as I tell my people, based on info what me I get, and them I say NEWLINK, this man did have underlying sickness. You understand? It is alleged. Let me just say this. You know what I mean? Because I know the whole heap of shark, them love shark done pan you in a NEWLINK. You know what I mean? When people reach out to me a lot of time, when the truth do forward out there and talk, the old shark, them love shark done like they want to buy that. You see me I say? But it's alleged, my people. So him have an underlying sickness, which the same type of sickness what the teacher vibes cartel. You understand that disease thing that I suffer from, which is Graves' disease. You understand? Me now go say it take him out or nothing because we have heard said them the disease that now go take you out like that and you would just, you know what I mean? No. But that can affect other conditions, meaning the heart rate and this and that. You understand, my people? And by looking at him, my people, to tell you the truth, when it comes to man, look pan cartel and you know what I mean? Since him come out of prison and thing, I'm say, basically, you know, say the type of look would have looked so for real based on the, you know what I mean, the conditions and the effect of the grave disease. It kind of looks so true. As me tell, it is alleged that he have the Graves disease, my people. That's what me hear. You see me? And with this, as I tell you, it can affect your heart rate. Knowing that you not take the right medication and you not do the right thing. Because with Graves disease, people, it can tell us a certain food. You understand, you have to avoid them. And there's certain things that you have to consume more in your body. Certain things you have to do. You see me? It is sad. If you know that this bridging for the real level of people gone like that. You know what I mean? He was a man who was posting the day, they're like happy before, enjoying life with his girlfriend. You know what I mean? Them travel together, them live life together because him love her. You see what I say? And she love him to them always live this type of life because all I can say, you know, Stunna girl or whatever your name, my condolences to you. You understand? My condolences to you, your family, to the team of Stunna Jamaica, everybody who work with him, all who, the promoter who link with him. You know what I mean? Because him family, because we know a lot of people are on the last. Because I tell people, a lot of people respect that youth, a lot of people rate him. They must say, yo, this youth, a humble youth, a good youth, a real youth. You see me? But my people, as me I say, if Stunna really, you know what I mean, was suffering from the Graves disease, you understand, and it's just sad. You see me? And me just hope say, him did do the right thing, like avoid certain things when for avoid, take him proper care and, you know what I mean, get him regular exercise and them things, them people, because sickness can't take anybody. And don't laugh off on them, man. That's how I see the other day, I see some people are mock and I do them comedic thing off a cartel, I put things and I stuff up them belly and I put on this and I go on certain way. Bro, me understand so the dust and try to make fun, but a sickness thing when I play with G. So me not rate that and me not laugh to them thing there. You see me? Big man thing. Not because Vibes Cartel and me artist and me say Gaza. No joke about it. But them thing that me take serious. You see when you come on to sickness, bro, and nothing for mock, nor jeer, nor play with. You see me? But all me as some people, Stunna, R.I.P. bro. You see me? Me never know you in person. Or you understand, or upon the circuit feel. You see me? But me say we're the response for a lot of people, artists, dancers, other producer, you know what I mean, selector, you see me? I pour out them love and them condolences for this brother, my people. For sure you say, he wasn't just a normal person like, you see me I say, oh, just I do a thing daily by daily and I do him thing, my people. But life is a thing, as me said before, my people. Death is a thing where we can't run from it. You see me? And we just never know the moment or the time when it's our time. And I always gonna tell my brothers and sisters this and me attacking people them. So look here. You see life, enjoy life. You see me? Enjoy life. What I mean enjoy life, live life to the fullest. No make nobody steal your joy, no make nobody steal your happiness, yo. You know what I mean? Sometimes you work so hard, save a little money on the side, take a little vacation, take a little trip, buy a little ticket, book a little hotel room. Go feel how life feels sometime, bro. Because, you see life, bro, we just don't know the minute, the hour, or the second. And one thing, you know, me can say about Stunna and based on what I say people, he was a virgin who always enjoyed himself. Deep inside, I can't tell how his mindset stay if he was going through no stress, no problem, no this, no that. But all I can say, I did see him as a virgin who always happy, enjoying himself. You understand? Keep him party, have him this, have him that, travel and that and that. I see him as that person based on when I see my people. But a lot of us, human on earth, you see me? We have a type of mentality, say, look here, we just say, save. You know what I mean? Build big house and this and that. For sure. Nothing wrong with doing it. But during the midst of it, put a look up on the side and say, you know that I want to offer me a look a trip on me a plan for next year, few months ago. You understand? Enjoy life. And cause now we know, a man dead and gone and pass away. And it's not the first I'm going to say this. And you did a ball and a cry much high water. A moan fee and I say this, oh, that's Stunna girl and this and that. You see me? And you will say these things. But deep inside, yo, you know what I mean? Stunna can't feel the pain where you feel. Stunna can't see the tears where you cry because Stunna dead, him gone. Him can't. You know, the love where you gonna say, oh, you much I love him. I hope you did tell him that upon earth, you know. And I hope you that show him them love upon earth. I always say this to my brethren and sisters. You understand? I've seen how much comments, how much love was spread all over social media for Stunna Jamaica. But my people, I'm saying and I'm going to say it again. I hope all the love wanna show now on the media. You were all showing it before. You know what I mean? For everybody who did know him and be a part of Stunna life. Again, may his soul rest in peace. My people, big up on yourself and more love, more blessings and more respect. I'm thanking you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share and every comments for people. And just remember to do subscribe to the channel. It's important. Like this video. Please do like the video, my people. Like it up. New link back to school treating this month, September, my people. Please do link up ASAP. Link up if you want to be a part of it. Link up for your contribution. Give us support. Because when you support New Link and contribute to the back to school treat, my people, look at the man. I'll be a blessing of our way. A blessing. Check below for my number and link up my people. Now care small it is. Click on the people down there. Link up my people. Link up and show your love and show your support. You understand? Because even if me not get no support, still I gotta keep. Judge sees, Judge knows. Because what? We always do it. Peace out my people. Stay safe and stay blessed. Big up.
Listen, you only live once. You need to enjoy life. Panama helicopter tours. Let's get it, baby, let's get it. And as I'm saying, like, yo, I've never flown in a helicopter before, so this is my first time. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck.